my best friend. In the journey of life, there are certain people who leave a lasting impact, shaping our experiences and memories. For me, that person is my best friend, Sarah. Sarah and I have been inseparable since childhood, sharing countless adventures and moments of joy. From the moment we met, Sarah and I knew there was a special connection between us. We bonded over our shared interests and values, and our friendship has only grown stronger over the years. As children, Sarah and I spent our days exploring the world around us, embarking on imaginative adventures and discovering new places. Whether we were building forts in the backyard or pretending to be pirates on the playground, we always had each other's backs. As we grew older, Sarah became more than just a playmate. She became my confidant and pillar of support. During times of difficulty and uncertainty, Sarah was always there to lend a listening ear and offer words of encouragement. Her unwavering support helped me navigate life's challenges with confidence and resilience. Some of my fondest memories are those shared with Sarah. From late-night movie marathons to spontaneous road trips, we've experienced countless adventures together. These shared moments have created a bond that is unbreakable and irreplaceable. One of the things I love most about Sarah is her sense of humor. She has an infectious laugh that can brighten even the darkest of days. Whether we're sharing inside jokes or simply enjoying each other's company, laughter is always a central part of our friendship. As we've grown older, Sarah and I have faced new challenges and opportunities. We've celebrated each other's successes and supported each other through setbacks. Our friendship has evolved and matured, but the foundation of love and mutual respect remains unchanged. I am endlessly grateful to have Sarah in my life. She has been a source of strength, laughter, and love, and I cherish every moment we spend together. Sarah is more than just a friend. She is family, and I am blessed to call her my best friend. In a world filled with uncertainty, having a best friend like Sarah is a true blessing. She brings joy, laughter, and love into my life every day, and I am grateful for the gift of her friendship. Together, we will continue to navigate life's ups and downs, knowing that we always have each other's backs. Sarah, thank you for being my best friend.